Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Mi nombre es Victoria y esto es The Spanish Express. In today's episode, we're going to talk about los días de la semana. Los días de la semana, the days of the week. Repite después de mí. Repeat after me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. I know this might sound super easy for you at this point, and that's why I want to teach you something else today. In Spanish, when we write down the days of the week in a phrase, we don't use capital letters unless we're starting a sentence with that word. And that's because in Spanish we have two different categories of nouns, los sustantivos propios y los sustantivos comunes. Los sustantivos propios are nouns that identify an individual or a place. For example, my name, Victoria, or the name of my country, Uruguay. And these nouns are written in capital letters. Los sustantivos comunes are the nouns we use to name objects, people like abuela, or ideas like tristeza or hambre, and these nouns are not written in capital letters, and the days of the week belong in this category. De deberes as homework, quiero que respondas a la pregunta ¿cuál es tu día de la semana favorito? En la sección de comentarios más abajo. Mi día de la semana favorito es el sábado. Y eso es todo por hoy. This is everything for today. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and to follow me on social media for more content in Spanish. Hasta la próxima. Chao, chao.